Hello, I'm 𝗬𝗏𝗏, founder and president of Premier Planning Professionals. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? It's time to talk about the Smart Money List. The Smart Money List is like the order of operations in math. It's the way in which you should properly invest to maximize your income and retirement assets for the future. If you do it out of order, you won't get the right result. There's free money, tax-free money, tax-deferred money, and taxable money. Let's break it down. Free money, who doesn't love that? It's like hitting the jackpot in your retirement plan. Think employer matching, contributions, or incentives. Next up is tax-free money. This is the golden ticket. It grows tax-free and you can withdraw it tax-free. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Then we have tax-deferred money. This is money that grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it, typically in retirement. It's a smart way to let your investments grow without the burden of taxes eating away at your returns. The downside is that it can cripple you and your loved one's retirement because of the tax implications. And finally, taxable money. This is the money that's subject to taxes as you earn it and as it grows. While it's still valuable, it's important to consider the tax implications. Now, why does this matter? 4 main reasons. Social Security is changing, pension and retirement plans have changed, the market is volatile, and the national debt is at an all-time high, which is going to push taxes higher. Your retirement strategy needs to adapt to these shifting landscapes. So here's what I propose. Call us today to find out how your retirement plan stacks up against the Smart Money List. Let's ensure your financial future is secure as possible.